Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Royce. I am your runner. Let's get into the gameplay. Welcome to Airsoft Domination, a little force-on-force gameplay we had at Kiowa Creek Airsoft. As you will notice, it's not exactly me or my team doing the dominating, it's actually the other team. Welcome to the other side of Airsoft Domination, the dying side, or as you might call it, the losing side, but let's not call it that just to save my ego a little bit.
I don't know if I can clear that distance. He's coming up on our left. Whew. Shit, that was close. Holy fuck. You got him? Where they at? Where on the tire fort? Oh, hit!
Double kill.
Good shot! Fuck! Double kill!
Sorry everyone, I've just always wanted to say that.
Yeah, I'm gonna try to swing wide if I can.
We are playing on Kiowa Creek Airsoft's Field Number 3. Field Number 3 is designed for long distance engagements, and we had quite a few snipers out there and some HPA runners, which made it a really tough gap to get across.
Oh shit, left side tire fort. Hit! Hit! Did you see him? Yeah. They're coming up in tire fort. Right side of tire fort. Right side. Where's he at? Okay. Yeah? Which side do you want to push? Right, left, or center? Hit! Whoa!
Freaking sniper rifles. Nobody likes those guys anyway.
I have no idea.
At least I don't. I can never get past them.
Oh shit, I see him push.
It's like a really hard level in a video game. Of course, then again, every level's a hard level in a video game for me.
Where's he at? I know you're shooting at me. But from where?
The guy I'm shooting at right now,
Holy
is
shit,
call
dude.
sign
That
Butters.
scared the
Can you
crap out of
guess
me.
why?
Oh my god.
I could
Do
tell
not
you,
do
but that would
that.
make it easy.
Oh,
Comment down below why you think he's called Butters. Once he told me the
Oh,
story,
hey.
I died laughing.
Hey, where the hell? Oh, hey. Woo. Shit, get down, get down. Where? Where's he at? Is it the blonde kid? Yeah, okay, I see him moving. I got people moving right. Yep. Right there, got him. Okay.
I think
dead.
that was my first kill this entire
Good push, man.
game. One of these days I will get good at Airsoft, I promise. But until then, I hope you guys
One
can
more.
hang on.
Whoa. Fuck. Here's the trees cover. Oh, good shot! Hit! Hit! Last mag.
My plan here was to provide enough distraction from the east side of the field so that my team could gain a little bit of ground against our enemies. I don't think it worked very well, but at least I gave it the old college try.
Fuck. Fuck. There he is, got him. Hit! Alright, I got Butters right up here. Guys, can you see anybody? Okay. Yeah, I saw him moving. There was one guy moving. To the right? Where? What do we got on our left? Okay. Whoa. Fuck. Two-minute warning. He dead? I can't see him. Coming up on the right. Oh wait, no, that's our guy. One minute left. Oh, hit!
With less than 1 minute left in the game, there was still enough time for me to die. At
Oh,
least
shit.
one more time.
Hit. Hit. 30 seconds. That's game.
Like always, I hope you all have enjoyed this video. Like, comment, and subscribe down below. And I look forward to seeing you guys next time, right here on Runner Airsoft.
I can't flip anybody off anymore. It hurts. It hurts.